Go to developers.facebook.com and click on My Apps. You need to create an app first, so click on the Create button to get started. After that, you will have an option to connect a business portfolio, or you can choose it to do it later. I'm going to choose it later because I have some things I need to show you first so that you can understand how this works. So click Next. Now you will be asked to select what you want your app to do. So let's see what I'm going to choose Others. Over here, you have to select the type of your app. But be careful because you cannot change this later. I'm going to choose Business and click Next. Okay, give your app a name over here. So in the Add an App Name section, write your app name. So I'm gonna write Demo Sign Up. Then give a contact email. Mine is automatically given, but if you don't have, so you have to add by yourself. And after that, I'm gonna select a business portfolio. So I'm gonna choose, let me see, this one, and Create App. Once you click the Create App, you will be asked to re-enter your password. So this is for verify purpose. So you type in your password again and it will be good to go. So click on Submit and the scope. Now you will be in your app dashboard and scroll down and choose Facebook Login for Business and click on Setup. Here you will have to change your public profile access to Advanced from Standard Access, as you can see. So click on Get Advanced Access. In the search bar, type Public Profile and you have to look for this tiny little button called Request Advanced Access. Yeah, I know this is very confusing interface. So when I was doing this first time, I was also feeling very confused. But don't worry, if you follow me, you'll go through it easily. So let's do it. Click on Request Advanced Access and a pop-up box will appear where you need to provide your app's privacy policy URL. So click on the basic settings to submit the URL. So this is the basic settings page, and here you can see a lot of input fields like app ID, app secret, namespace, etc. So you need to provide the privacy URL over here and need to collect that from BotSailor. So open a new tab in your browser and go to BotSailor and then scroll down to administration section. Click on the settings, then click on the WhatsApp. Now copy the privacy policy URL and go back to the meta page and then come back and copy the terms service URL and paste it and save the settings. Now that we have provided all the URLs, it's time to get that advanced access for public profile. Now go to Facebook Login for Business setting. It will take some time and click on Get Advanced Access again, and just like before, search for public profile and click on Request Advanced Access. Then click on I agree that any data I receive through etc. Click on it and click on Confirm. Now answer all the data handling questions. Just follow my instructions. And access to your public profile to Advanced is granted. Now, just like public profile, we need to do all of this again for email to get Advanced access permission for email. So search for email and click on Request Advanced Access and do it like before. Just follow my instructions. Go back to Facebook Login for Business settings again and scroll down to toggle yes to embed browser OAuth login. After that, toggle yes to JavaScript SDK and type in your domain URL in this input field. So I'm gonna type https://bizsphere.com. Okay, and save changes. Now go to add product and you'll be redirected to your app dashboard. Now scroll down to set up WhatsApp for embedded signup. Now scroll down again and look for Become a Tech Provider section. Here, click on Continue Onboarding. Scroll down again and now click on Create Configuration from Integration section. It will take you to a new window. Click on Create Configuration button. Add a name. I'm gonna write Embedded Sign Up and click Next. Now select WhatsApp Embedded Sign Up and click Next. Choose token expiration to never, and for asset, it is by default WhatsApp accounts, so keep it like that. Now select permission from this drop down menu. I'm gonna choose this one and this one. Now click Create button. Copy the configuration ID, then go back to BotSailor and paste it. So I'm gonna copy it. Just go to BotSailor and paste it in the configuration ID section. Now it's time for app ID and app secret. So go back to Meta again. Open app settings menu and click on basic. Now copy the app ID and app secret and paste it in BotSailor. Now paste it in BotSailor. Now for app secret, copy it and paste it. Now give your app a name. I'm gonna write demo app. Then go back to Meta page and select configuration. Now set up the webhook by adding callback URL and verify token. Click on edit option. Now go back to BotSailor and copy the URL and verify token and paste it on the Meta page. Paste it. Now for verify token, copy it and paste it here and verify and save. Then click on Manage from Webhook Fields and turn on Messages. And it's done. Now toggle the app mode to live. It will take some time. Now you will be notified to do a checkup. So click on Start Checkup. Here you will be asked to check all the data handling questions again. So I'm gonna just recheck everything again and click Next and tick on public profile, allowed usage and email. Click Next and I clarify that one also. Click on it and submit. It will take some time to load and your app is live. Now go to business.facebook.com and here go to Account Settings. Click on System Users and add a new user. Click on Add and write down your system user name and the role you want him to give, employee or admin. Or you can select your existing user and click on Assigned Assets. Select all the apps that you have and select Demo Sign Up app that we just made and give this user full control of this app by toggling the Manage App button and save it. And it's done. Now click on Generate Token, select the app, alright, Demo Sign Up and click Next. Set token expiration to never and click Next and give all the permissions that you need. So I'm gonna choose Business Management, Catalog Management, Business Management and WhatsApp Business Messaging. Now generate token and copy the token and paste it in BotSailor's System Access Token input field and click on Save button and all the settings have been successfully saved. Finally, go back to Connect Account and click on Connect WhatsApp and your embedded sign up will be ready to use.